The SVBONY SV208 8x50 finder scope features a large 50mm objective lens that allows more light to enter, resulting in a bright and clear image for easy sky navigation. With its built-in BK7 correct image roof prism, this finder scope provides right side up and left to right correct views, aligning perfectly with natural observation habits. The red LED illuminator enhances the reticle visibility under extremely dark conditions, making it easier to locate celestial targets. The glass reticle of the SVBONY SV208 offers high seismic stability and precision, ensuring a long service life without obstructing the view. Adjustments for objective lens thread focus and reticle parallax compensation ensure that both the target and reticle are on the same focal plane, improving observation accuracy. An angle adjustment control knob allows for precise reticle and observation angle adjustments, enhancing the overall user experience.